I thought it was very energetic. I thought it was very relaxed. I was impressed with the young people, the way that they could find the words, find the courage to speak up about the things that they think of that could help us. And there's lots and lots of ideas. I did ask.
That's great. And kind of what were your expectations before today?
Well, I've done 2 of these before, so I kind of knew what to expect. But each of these events brings new things.
Yeah.
You never get the same. You always get something new, and as Bob Ashford said to me, you always learn.
Yeah. And what do you think the impact can be with events like this?
Well, there's only one aim of it, which is service improvement, both for the staff and improved engagement for the young people and better outcomes for them.
And why do you think it's important to listen to young people?
Because they've got as valid views about what we're trying to do with them as we have on the staff group.
I think it's always interesting to give young people a platform to speak about their experiences, because I really think that in the kind of cut and thrust, if you like, of youth offending work, we very rarely kind of find that time. So I think that's always very useful.
Why do you think it is that it is important to listen to young people and what they have to say?
Well, because they're the recipients of the service, really, and therefore they must really be the focus of our work. Obviously, it's a partnership. The aim is to prevent offending and to reduce re-offending. That can really only be done in partnership.
Yeah, absolutely. And did you have any expectations before today about what you might find?
Well, I think in an event like this, I think the main worry is, will young people speak?
Yeah.
And I think you've got such a diverse range of professionals here and user voice people as well. So I think from what I've seen, there's been a kind of element of comfort, which is certainly the group that I was in, encouraged young people to speak.
Yeah, exactly. And just finally, what kind of impact do you think events like this can have?
Well, I'm not sure if that's sort of measurable, really. Certainly not in the short term. But I think that in the future, young people might reflect on having had the opportunity to kind of speak. And I think that if you provide that, then I think you're building blocks for the future, I think.